here, Shelly. I rescued it from the rope. One day, I was cycling outside when I saw a turtle in the middle of the road. I was worried about it that it would get hurt by the cars, so I took it inside. Oh, this is a flap-shell turtle. It is a freshwater turtle. It is most commonly found in India and Pakistan. It is beginning to extinct slowly as people are hunting illegally for this turtle. I gave it a bath so it could feel fresh. I could see that the turtle was feeling a lot better than before. Its shell was so shiny that I could almost see my reflection. It had a beautiful pattern. Can you see it? Oh! Watch! Oh, it has claws. Seems very sharp. Its nostrils. Very handy for both water and land. Ooh, grumpy. What a beauty. Why are you still angry? Are you gonna tell me? Let me scratch your head. Aww, I'm gonna miss you a lot, Chili. Hasta la vista, Shelly. If you find these kind of creatures, rescue, treat, and release. I'm going to release this beautiful creature into the wild. Bye-bye, Shelly. I miss you already. Bye-bye, Shelly. I miss you already. Love nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more videos, stay tuned to Fun and Skill. Bye!